What's up, guys? So in the ball python world, there's a million ways to do things. How often you should feed your snake, how old they should be to breed. Well, in today's episode, I'm going to share data with you on both, and we'll explore how old a ball python needs to be in order for them to breed. So stick around. I recently shared on Instagram whether I should breed a 16-month-old 1,300 gram female ball python, and the results were pretty overwhelming. This is Bunny. She's been featured on a previous video, which I'll link below. I've kept detailed feeding dates, shed cycles, and weigh-ins since I got her last November. She was around 400 grams when I got her and weighed 1,305 grams at her last recent weigh-in. She had 28 feedings before she started refusing food about a month ago. This averages to about 5 feedings per month with a gain of 900 grams in weight overall. Bunny was born on January 10th, 2020, making her about 16 months old. So the rule of thumb on feeding is 1 appropriately sized meal per week. Honestly, I feed my snakes twice a week. I breed my own rats, so I have plenty to go around. And when I see them just peeking out of their hide in that S position, ready to strike, I know they're ready to eat, and I'll throw a rat in there. I feed smaller prey items than usual, with the larger ones just a wean or small, and pups to my smaller ball pythons. And the rule of thumb on breeding is 3 winters and about 1,500 grams. So we can see with Bunny, she's not quite at 1,500 grams, but she is showing a lot of signs that she wants to breed. She's stopped eating, and she's also starting to hang out on the cool side more often. So I'm gonna throw a male in with her, and they may lock, they may not, but I'm hoping really that it stimulates her to start eating. And if she starts eating again and she continues to breed, she'll just continue gaining that weight, and I could get an extra clutch this year. So this is going to be Bunny's partner. This is a fire VPI xanthic, and the plan is to get super fire embers, which is a white snake and should look like very similar to Bunny, but they'll also be 100% het VPI xanthic, which I could put in to other projects later on down the line. So let's see how this introduction goes. Give them some privacy. So that looked pretty promising. What do you think? So I want to show you another pairing that I'm going to do. Her sister, Tigra, which is an Ember Cream 100% het hypo, I'll be pairing her with Yehua. And there's a lot of genes in Yehua, and I'll explain once I show them to you. Now, Tigra was born in the same clutch as her sister Bunny, but she has not stopped refusing to eat, and she's pushing 2,000 grams already. So I'm gonna put Yewa in here and just make sure she doesn't try to eat him, because she will eat everything that goes into her tub. So let's just see what happens here. So Yehua is a Mojave GHI Leopard Pastel, 100% het VPI Xanthic, 50% het pied. Now I really believe that he is going to prove out the het pied part, so this will be great to include into my hypo-pied projects, because Tigra, she is Ember, Vanilla, 100% het hypo. So this is a really exciting pairing that can have a lot of genes and 2 hets inside of it. So again, looks pretty promising to me. I'm gonna get up early tomorrow and I will check up on them, see if there's a lock, and I'll include that part in this video before I upload it. So fingers crossed. Man, it was like a middle school dance there with the boys on one side of the gym and the girls on the other side. Now, let me give you a little bit of stats on the guys here. The Fire VPI Xanthic, he's a 2019 at about 800 grams. I honestly was expecting him to lock up. He's of age, but again, this is his first time, so we'll give him a little bit more of a chance. Now, Yehua, he's a 2020 at around 600 grams, so I wasn't expecting much from him, but I know he's gonna do some big things for me this winter, so I think this is a great introduction for him. I'm gonna give them about 24 hours more together, because despite what we just saw, there have been some positive signs. They're currently actually laying right next to each other, so we'll give them a little bit more time. And I'm gonna give you guys an update on them next week, whether they lock or not, because I'm gonna revisit my double recessive projects and share with you my hypo-pied project. So guys, thank you so much for sticking around. Take care.